Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at the new Apple MacBook Air 13.3 inch. This is the Core i5 model with the 512 gigabytes of RAM. It's not the base model. I decided to choose this model because I think it will be a little bit more capable for what I have planned for it. Also, I chose the rose gold version this time. I usually get the space grey or the silver, but I went for the gold because it matches my Rolex. If you haven't seen that video, it will be posted soon, don't worry. Right, okay, let's have a look inside. Right, so this is a beautiful colour. This is what Samsung are calling the Mystic Bronze. It's actually rose gold. A little bit thicker than usual. Right, so on the side you've got the two Thunderbolt ports, or USB-C, up to 40 gigabits per second. On the other side, you just have a 3.5mm headphone jack, but at least it's included. Right, so let's have a look what else you get in the box. So to start with, you've got the USB-C to USB-C, and that's a charging and data cable. And that goes along with the 30-watt Apple charger. I'll show you the picture of that in a second. Right, so in here we've got the charging brick, again Type-C, and it's the model A1882, for those of you who needed to know that. Designed in California, made in China. Right, okay, so there's a close-up on that as well. So let's see. Inside the documents pouch, we will have a quick start guide, usually. There we go. And some nice gold Apple stickers this time. That makes a change from the white. I wish they'd do that with all of the products. I'd like to have some black Apple stickers as well. But usually they're white. So that's what you have in the box. Let's put that out of the way. Right, okay. So here we go. This is the 13.3 inch, 100% recycled aluminium this time, which is really great. And let's unwrap it. Okay, I shall be quiet so you can listen to it. What a lovely sound. Okay, so first impressions are good. It looks very, very nice, very, very clean. It's coming across in the smaller picture as quite pink, but it's not as pink as it looks. It is more of a rose gold colour. In England, that's sometimes called as Welsh gold, and sometimes it's called Russian gold, but a nice rose gold colour. Right, I'm going to skip through setting this up because I have to put in some personal information. So I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the new keyboard. Apple have changed the keyboard again, so it's got a little bit more travel and it makes typing much easier. Built-in fingerprint reader on the top right hand corner where the power button is. And that's very, very useful. And it's got an excellent backlight that you can adjust as dim or bright as you like. So I'm loving this new keyboard. It really is nice. It's a very nice tactile feel and much nicer to type on than the old ones. A larger trackpad, not quite as big as a trackpad that you get with your iMac, but it is very useful indeed. And it has a nice click as well. Right, so as you can see the details here, and I've done a macro shot here of the screen. So if you look closely, you can see it is pixelated, even though it's the Retina display. But from 2 feet away, it looks absolutely perfect. Right, so this is a quick unboxing. I'll give you another update in about a month, and I'll let you know how I'm getting on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.